Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm doing some basic maintenance on my car, a Seat Ibiza 1.6 TDI. I will be changing the engine oil, the oil filter, the fuel filter, the air filter and the cabin filter. It's actually my first time doing it myself, usually it's my dad, so let's hope everything goes smooth and fast. We will start by removing the under tray.
Off.
Next, we remove the engine cover. And then the oil drain bolt.
Oops.
The oil itself looks good, no glitter or metal pieces, which is a good sign and means that the engine is healthy.
Let it clean. Oh no.
Next, we remove boost controller so we can have access to the oil filter.
No! No! No!
So yeah, just grinded off this bolt so I can take the solenoid out. As you can see, it's slotted. It was not. Nice. Do. It's even bigger.
Now we take out the oil filter and remove the old O-rings and install new ones. Quick tip, never install the O-rings dry, always use a bit of oil or some kind of grease, but remember, never go in dry. Then we put the oil filter back on, but don't over tighten it. After that, reinstall the boost controller. The drain bolt, and now we are ready to add the new oil. Moving on to the air filter, first disconnect the mass sensor, remove the intake hoses, and unscrew the bolts so you can take out the airbox. As you can see, the filter it's dirty, but not that bad. I've seen definitely worse. Always compare the new filter to the old one and make sure it's the correct one.
Let's do it.
It's also a good idea to vacuum the airbox to remove any dust or debris. After that, just reinstall everything back in place and it's done. Now to the fuel filter. Start by disconnecting the fuel hose.
Whoops.
Then just unclip the filter and remove it. Again, compare the new one to the old one before installing it. Now, a very important tip, always fill the fuel filter with fuel before installing it. Trust me, don't be like me, you will see why in a minute. Now we just reinstall the engine cover, the under tray, and we are done. Check the oil level and make sure it's correct so we can finish everything. Oh, and I almost forgot the cabin filter. This one, it's easy. Slide 2 tabs, remove the old filter and install the new one. Since we change a few components, it's always a good idea to prime the system. You can do this by turning the ignition on and off a few times without starting the engine.
Oh man, what's wrong with my car?
But yeah, remember when I said you should fill the fuel filter? Well, because I didn't, I got into the fuel system and the car now doesn't start.
Yeah, car yesterday didn't start because I forget to prime the system. So to solve that, I bought the end pump. I connected, this is what comes from the fuel tank. I connected it to the filter, it has a loop, but yeah, and just primes a few times.